Hello and welcome to this video about teaching English for beginners. In this video, we'll be focusing on the names of numbers from 1 to 10 in English. Learning the names of numbers is an important foundation in language learning, as numbers are used in everyday communication. So, let's get started with the names of the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. These numbers are used in various situations like telling time, counting items, and much more. So, it is important to remember their names to be able to communicate effectively in English. Now, let's practice saying the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Keep practicing and you'll soon become more confident in your English communication skills. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more English learning content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.